with Cos. I'm Cos, and today I'm going to be taking it to the kitchen with this DIY Valentine's Day inspired project where I'm going to be using 2 different dish towels that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to be decorating them and adding a little bit more style to them using some pom-poms that I've also used in some other projects, but these particular pom-poms are Valentine's Day colors. And then I'm going to also be using some iron-on art for one of the dish towels too. So one of the dish towels are definitely going to be a lot more functional, and then the other one is going to be more decorative. So like all of my projects, I'm really excited about how this particular project will turn out, especially with them being paired next to each other for the whole Valentine's Day holiday season. So if you like this video, or if you want to go ahead and check out some of my other videos, if you're not already subscribed, if you can go ahead and subscribe so you can stay updated on all of the other projects that I have going for 2018. And let's go ahead and let's get right started with the materials that we will use for this project.